Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the texturing of this office interior over here. So let's continue it. So let's select this table over here and let's select the polygons over here, and let's go into the material editor. And what I'll do is I'll just assign the same material over here for the wood over here. So let's go into the mode and let's go into the slate material editor. So I'll just open the slate material editor. I do have this wood texture. I'll assign this same texture here as well, and let's go into this and let's give a UVW map. So let's convert to poly. Now again select the polygons. Okay, this is a different element, so I'll assign the same texture here and let's give a UVW map, and let's slightly just increase its height over here. Select this polygons and press Ctrl I inverse. I'll go into this and let's take a V-Ray material. I'll slightly give a bit of white color, give a bit of reflection, and slightly I can go into this and add some roughness to it. Similarly, let's add the same over here as well. For this also I'll add the same roughness. Select these books over here. Let's attach this all these books. Let's go into the material editor and I'll again take a V-Ray material. Let's go into the bitmap. I'll take this the book texture over here and let's assign UVW map, set it as a box. Oops. Alright. So convert to poly, select the polygons and I'll assign a bit of white color and apply it on top of it. Similarly, again I'll attach this and let's again go into this UVW map, set it as a box, convert to poly and let's assign this material over here. Now again I'll select this part and let's select the polygons. Let's give a material, say inverse, and I'll assign this wooden and set it as a box. Now I can slightly adjust it and convert to poly. Let's end isolate this. I'll just save the file once and we'll give some metal over here. So I can just go into this and I'll assign some metal over here. So let's go into the material and let's take a new V-Ray material and we'll make it a bit of a kind of a gold or copper or something. So let's make it as a copper kind of stuff. So I'll just name it as copper over here and I'll give some color to it. Let's go into this and I'll give some reflections and let's click OK, and our glossiness I'll keep it to 0.8. Fresnel IOR I'll make it as 10. Alright, subdivisions that can be increased. Max depth I'll keep it as 7. So go into rendering, go into render setup and into this, go into this. You have this, use local subdivisions, you can activate it. So this is going to be activated over here and let's assign it. So once you assign it, you can just render it once and see how it's going to look like. So we have assigned a kind of a copper shader over here. Now according to needs, we'll just give some materials to it. I'll make this a bit of a gold plated kind of stuff. This is just for the show over here. So let's again take a V-Ray material and let's make this black. Go into reflection and give some color to it. Our glossiness I'll keep it to 1. Fresnel reflection make it as off, and subdivision 8 we'll just keep it in this way and assign it. And let's render and see how it's going to look like. Yeah, looks better. So go into rendering, go into environment. We have kept it as white only, and let's save the file once over here. Now again I'll go over here select this wall art, select the polygons, and let's take a V-Ray material and let's give this wall art to it. Control I. Let's again go into material and I'll just give a wood color to it. Alright. So I'll just delete this, I'll just duplicate this only. So I'll just rotate it. So slightly I'll just rotate it over here in this way. Select this and this, and I'll give a bit of V-Ray light material over here. So I can just assign a light material. Just save the file once. Let's just render and see. So have we assigned this over here or not? Okay. Okay. What I'll do is we'll give a bit of black metal kind of material and give metalness, give reflections, and go into this. I'll increase this and reduce this. Okay, I'll just reduce it. And assign this. So let's render it again and see. And if you don't need more reflections, you can just go over here and reduce the reflections over here. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.